balance chemical equations. We'll start with the reaction between iron, Fe, and oxygen, O2, to produce iron 3 oxide, Fe2O3. Our goal is to make sure the number of atoms of each element is the same on both sides of the equation. We begin by counting the iron atoms. On the left side, we have 1 iron atom. On the right side, we have 2 iron atoms in Fe2O3. To balance the iron, we put a 2 in front of Fe on the left side. Now let's balance the oxygen atoms. On the left side, we have 2 oxygen atoms in O2. On the right side, we have 3 oxygen atoms in Fe2O3. To balance these, we need to find a common multiple of 2 and 3, which is 6. So we put a 3 in front of O2 and a 2 in front of Fe2O3. We have a fraction. So let's multiply everything by 2 to get rid of it. Now let's check our final equation. On the left side, we have 4 iron atoms and 6 oxygen atoms. On the right side, we also have 4 iron atoms and 6 oxygen atoms. Since both sides of the equation have the same number of each type of atom, the equation is now balanced